What up, everyone? Welcome to eBay break number 160. 10 Mosaic blaster boxes. Thank you all for joining. This should take about 45 minutes to an hour, so I'm gonna get right into it. Anybody who's not here yet can see it on the page and catch it on our YouTube channel directly after. All right, let's go. Good luck, everyone. Here we go, first blaster. Boom. No, sir. All teams are paid and sold. Let's go. Stay on the lookout, though, Chad. I will be posting a break directly to the Facebook page after this. Right after this break, I'm going to post a new break to the page. All right, guys, there should be 8 packs in here. I'll count them out. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Let's get some fire. Friday night vibes. Let's get to it. All right. Joe Bo, what up? Oh, man, I got to fix that light. 1 second. After this pack, I'll do it. All right, we got Terry McLaurin. Hold on, guys. Let me fix that. See if that works. All right, that's better. We got Cole Beasley. Andre Johnson. Green Ryan Tannehill for the Titans. Let's get you a CD, brother. Let's go. Kids Reporter. DK Metcalf. Devin McCourty. Antonio Gandy Golden. Dick Butkus. Carson Wentz, Julio, Matthew Stafford, Sony Michel Green for the Patriots, Kids Reporter. Alvin Kamara, Josh Allen, Emmitt Smith, Flea Flicker, John Elway, Terrell Davis, Easy Ed McCaffrey. Bobby Wagner, Leonard Fournette, Kareem Hunt, Christian Kirk, Green for AZ, Kids Reporter. The Bus, Jerome Bettis, Adam Thielen, Isaiah Simmons. Boom, there you go. Green Mosaic Flea Flicker, Russell Wilson, DK Metcalf, Marshawn Lynch. Let's go. All right. Derwin James Jr., Lamar Jackson, Dick Butkus, Devin Duvernay, Green Mosaic rookie card for the Ravens. There you go. Kids Reporter. right. Landon Collins, Le'Veon Bell, A.J. Dillon, NFL debut. Will to win, Baker. And that's your first blaster, guys. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. All right. Mark Andrews, Cam Chancellor, Jared Cook. Nice. Green Christian McCaffrey for the Panthers. All right. Nice, Ethan. Thanks for jumping in and taking Lions, brother. Let's get you some fire. Let's get you a DeAndre Swift, hopefully. I don't know who else you want to see. Tyrann Mathieu, Emmitt Smith, Russell Wilson, Pro Bowl. Will to win, Baker. Tyler Boyd, Rod Woodson, Dalvin Cook. Nice. Colts, green MVPs, Peyton. Kid Reporter. Luke Kuechly, Peyton Manning. There you go, Chargers. Justin Herbert, base. Let's go. Nice. For the Texans, you got Deshaun Watson, Houston, Pro Bowl, Silver Prism. All right. Cool. Let me sleeve up a couple cards real quick, and then we'll keep it rolling. You know what? We'll wait till this blaster. We'll sleeve. Trent Wold, what up? Let's go. Jerry Judy color. Barry Sanders. Jamal Adams. Cooper Kupp. Gronk. Gronk color, green. All right. Dwight Freeney, Baker Mayfield, Brian Urlacher. Bam, there you go. For the Giants, you got Danny Dimes, What a Win Mosaic. Pretty clean. Julius Peppers, Deebo Samuel, John Higgins, Steve Young, green mosaic for the Niners, Kids Reporter. Let's go. California, brother. Right now I'm in Georgia. All three of us are from California. Jordy Nelson, Justin Jefferson. Drew Lock got game. All right. Let me sleeve up real quick. All right. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eli Manning, Darius Leonard, Deion Sanders, Terry Bradshaw, Kids Reporter. Danielle Hunter, Derrick Henry, Jacob Eason, NFL debut. Boom. Tom Brady, touchdown Masters. Nice. Joey Bosa, Aaron Rodgers, Christian McCaffrey, Mike Williams, Green Mosaic, Kids Reporter. Kevin Byard, Tiki Barber, Jacob Eason, Dan Marino. Julian Edelman, Emmitt Smith, Mark Andrews. Bang, there you go. Green Mosaic, Patty Mahomes. Just leave that up. Kids Reporter. We got here Ricky Williams, Russell Wilson, Kevin Green, boom, Flea Flicker, Green Mosaic, John Elway, Terrell Davis, and McCaffrey. Fire. Deshaun Jackson, Tyler Boyd, Tyrann Mathieu. Bam, there you go, Vikings. Green Mosaic, Justin Jefferson. Pretty sure that's what you're looking for. Let's go. Sleeve them up. Kids Reporter. Thomas, what's up? Saquon Barkley, Max Crosby, Tyler Johnson, rookie card. Keenan Allen got game. End of the blaster. All right, just leave up a couple cards real quick. Gerardo, what's up, brother? Everybody who's not in this break and just watching, I will be posting a break to the Facebook page directly after this. If you guys feel like breaking something, if we could fill it, I'm down to rip it up tonight. If not, we'll probably fill by tomorrow. It's all good, it's all good. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Julian Edelman, Kevin Byard, Gabriel Davis, Barry Sanders. Russell Wilson, Marlon Mack, Tyler Eifert, Cole Beasley, Kids Reporter. Deshaun Jackson, Ricky Williams, Jerry Rice, Flea Flicker, Alvin Kamara, Drew Brees, and Michael Thomas for the Saints. Max Crosby, Chandler Jones, Von Miller, Jerry Rice, Hall of Fame, Green Mosaic, Kids Reporter. Chris Godwin, Saquon Barkley, Derek Brown, rookie card, Patrick Mahomes, will to win for the Chiefs. Juju, Jeff Saturday, Odell, James Morgan, Silver Mosaic rookie card for the Jets. Kids Reporter. Lawrence Taylor, Keenan Allen, Chase Claypool, NFL debut for the Steelers. Tom Brady got game. Eddie George, Aaron Jones, Brian Burns, Landon Collins, Green Mosaic, Kids Reporter. All right. Get right in the next blaster. We'll be halfway through after this one. See if we can fill a break after this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Matt Ryan, Jerome Bettis, Adam Thielen, Tiki Barber, Kids Reporter. Mark Brunell, Jarvis Landry, Darrington Evans, rookie card for the Titans. Julio Jones will to win. David Montgomery, Le'Veon Bell, Derwin James Jr., Russell Wilson, Silver Mosaic Pro Bowl. Let's leave that up. Kids Reporter. Let's leave up Russ real quick. Nick Peroni, Mike Darcy, Jason Amos. What's up, fellas? Zeke, Kevin King, Chase Young, NFL debut, Washington football team, Saquon, Tony Gonzalez, Drew Brees, Landon Collins, Kyle Fuller, Green Mosaic, Kids Reporter. Andre Johnson, Allen Robinson, James Morgan, Tom Brady, Touchdown Masters, Cole Beasley, Randall Cunningham, Robert Woods. Woo! There you go, Bengals. You've been waiting for that to pop. There he is, Joe Burrow. We'll stop and sleeve that up right now. Kids Reporter. Let's go. Fire. May even have to get a little stand for that. Bang. Let's go. Oh, over here, let's put a few more hits out there. All right, last pack. Julio Jones, Matthew Stafford, Terry Bradshaw. Bam, Jimmy G got game green. Let's leave that up over here. All right, next blaster. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ricky Williams, Leonard Fournette, Kareem Hunt, Steve Young. Let's go. Let's try to get that for you. Kids Reporter. Come on, let's heat up. Max Crosby, Deshaun Jackson, J.K. Dobbins, Randy Moss, Touchdown Masters, Saquon Barkley, Lamar Jackson, Dick Butkus, Devontae Parker, Kids Reporter. Juju Smith-Schuster, Chris Godwin, Calais Campbell, got game, Ryan Tannehill, Silver Mosaic. Nice looking card. Keenan Allen, Len Dawson, Leighton Vander Esch, Roquan Smith, Kids Reporter. Eddie George, Lawrence Taylor, Keyshawn Vaughn rookie card, Jerome Bettis. Right. Jarrett Stidham, J.J. Watt, Kyle Fuller, Isaiah Simmons, Green Mosaic rookie card for the Arizona Cardinals, Kids Reporter. Mike Gesicki, Steve Largent, Steve Young, Flea Flicker, Baker Mayfield, Nick Chubb, and Odell Beckham. All right, next blaster. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Julius Peppers, Dwight Freeney, Keyshawn Vaughn, Terry Bradshaw, old school silver mosaic. Jordy, Tom Brady, Curtis Martin, Jake Fromm for the Bills, green mosaic. Jake from State Farm. Oh. Let's go, Burrow. Is that you, George? That's your Burrow? Let's go. Roger Staubach, Marquise Hollywood Brown, Steve Young, Tony Gonzalez, touchdown masters. Chris Jones, Jerry Rice. Woo! I couldn't have that been Tua. But there you go, Dolphins. You got yourself a auto, Josh Rosen. Bang. Nice. Let's leave that up. Third time getting that green mosaic. Steve Young for the Niners. Kids Reporter. Let's leave up the auto. Come on, Josh Rosen. Yes, sir. Was a tease. Nice looking card, though. All right, we got T.Y. Hilton, A.J. Green, Darrington Evans. Boom. Woo! Silver mosaic. Let's go. Silver prism. Joe Burrow, rookie base. Let's go. Fire. Let's go. That's definitely a banger. Definitely a hit. Probably got your money back for Bengals just on that card. Guaranteed. Wow. Let's go. Oh, we're gonna have to take out Herbert. All right. All right. Stephon Diggs, Zach Ertz, Marshall Faulk, Earl Thomas, might be right, Chad. Nick Chubb, Christian Kirk, Chase Young, NFL debut. Bam, what a nice looking card that is right there. Little color match action for the Packers. Green got game. Nice. The Rays beat the Astros, so I guess they're going to the World Series. Oh, Rays lost? Sorry. Maybe I read that alert wrong. Adam Vinatieri, Cameron Jordan, Marcus Mariota. Nice. John Elway, Green Mosaic. I'm a big Broncos fan, old school Elway fan, so I appreciate this card. Very nice. All right, next blaster. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Charles Tillman, Marshawn Lattimore, Charles Woodson, Tyrann Mathieu, Kids Reporter. John Brown, Deshaun Watson, Jerry Rice, Josh Jacobs, what a win. Cortland Sutton, A.J. Brown, bang. Rashad Evans, Scripps for the Titans. You got yourself an auto. Calais Campbell Green, Kids Reporter. Man, so they're going to Game 7, Rays and Astros. Wow. Anybody got a score on the Dodger game? I know my Dodgers are probably gonna get eliminated here soon. Maybe they could do what the Astros did, force a Game 7. Doubt it though. Jarvis Landry, Matt Ryan, Derek Brown, Devontae Adams, Silver Prism. Two nothing Braves. Damn it. Mark Brunell, Richard Sherman, Randy Moss, A.J. Brown, Green Mosaic. Come on, LA. I know, I want to see that, man. I doubt it's going to happen. Such a bummer. Every year, Dodgers let us down. Kevin King, David Montgomery, Chase Claypool, NFL debut, Juju Smith-Schuster. Yeah, I'm kind of pushing for the Rays in that series myself. And if we lose to the Braves, I hope the Rays beat the Braves. Only top of the third. Let's go. Zeke, Ryan Tannehill, Darius Slayton, Randy Moss Green, Kids Reporter. A-Rob, Tony Gonzalez, Patrick Queen, Gronk, Touchdown Masters. All right, next blaster. We only have 2 left. Good luck. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, Joe. Curtis Martin, Josh Allen, Devontae Adams, Alvin Kamara, Green Mosaic, Kids Reporter. Jerry Rice, Tom Brady, Jonathan Taylor, NFL debut for the Colts. Bam. Touchdown Masters, Patrick Mahomes. It's pretty fire, actually. All right. Marshall Faulk, DeAndre Hopkins, Terrell Davis, Bobby Wagner, Kids Reporter. Marcus Mariota, Zach Ertz, Javon Kinlaw, John Elway Old School, Cameron Jordan, Charles Tillman, Patrick Mahomes, boom, Green Jarvis Landry, Kids Reporter. Adrian Peterson, Warren Sapp, Deshaun Watson, Howie Long, George Kittle, John Brown, Deshaun Watson. Ooh, there you go. There you go, Rams. Nice green Van Jefferson, Green Mosaic. Just leave that up real quick. Tony, what's up? Tobin, what's up? Jeremy, Aaron, what up? You guys stay tuned. We're going to be posting a break to the page after this. Probably a couple Mosaic Football mega boxes, a couple hanger boxes, a couple cello packs. Mike Evans, Aaron Donald. Boom, there he is. Tua Tagovailoa, the base. Got the flea flicker. Kyler, Larry Fitz, and Kenyon Drake. Sleeve up Tua real quick. Eddie Ayala, what up? Tobin, yeah, man, I'm gonna post that break right after this. I'm ready to break that tonight if we could fill it, but I can't guarantee you we will fill it. If we don't, we'll break it tomorrow. Definitely down to keep ripping if we can. All right, last blaster, guys. Good luck. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Miles Sanders, Jalen Ramsey, Michael Pittman Jr., Flea Flicker, Drew Brees, Alvin Kamara, Michael Thomas. Josh Jacobs, Lamar Jackson, Dick Butkus, Randy Moss, Hall of Fame, Kids Reporter. Jesus. Mike Allstott, Taysom Hill, Aaron Rodgers MVPs, Patrick Mahomes will to win. Kyle Rudolph, Len Dawson, Leighton Vander Esch, Keenan Allen, Green Mosaic for the Chargers, Kids Reporter. Jared Goff, Jimmy G, KJ Hamler rookie card for the Broncos. Boom, green Saquon Barkley, got game. Curtis Samuel, J.J. Watt, Kyle Fuller, Chandler Jones, Green Mosaic, Kids Reporter. Jerry Rice, Tom Brady, CeeDee Lamb, NFL debut. There you go, Cowboys. I know you were waiting the whole break for at least one of those. I was just thinking he hasn't came out yet. Tom Brady got game for the Bucks. Sleep up, CD. All right. And last pack, guys. Hopefully we get some last pack magic. Good luck, everyone. Thank you all again for joining. Gonna look out to our Facebook group for exclusive breaks just for the page. Marshall Falk, Kerryon Johnson, Tremaine Edmonds, Peyton Manning, silver mosaic for the Colts, Kids Reporter. All right, guys, we'll do a quick recap of what I got sleeved up. There's plenty of more hits I still got to sleeve up. Didn't want to hold up the break. Just sleeved up the real fire. All right, here we go. We got the CeeDee Lamb. You got Tua. You got the Van Jefferson. Sean Evans auto. Aaron Rodgers, green mosaic, got game. Justin Herbert, Ricky Bass. Josh Rosen. Thank you, Joe. Got game. Jimmy G, green mosaic. Deshaun Watson. Russ. The green Patrick Mahomes. The green NFL debut, Joe Burrow, fire. Green silver prism, Joe Burrow, fire. The green Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. All right, guys, that's our break. I appreciate you guys. Be on the lookout for more breaks. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate you so much. Thank you. Peace.